Hello friends, this is Saurabh. Today I am going to show you how to make Ganesha using paper and fenugreek seeds. Here I tore some pieces of paper and soaked them in water for 5 to 6 hours. And here I have soaked fenugreek seeds for 5 to 6 hours. Now you can see the paper has been soaked. Now I am going to grind it along with fenugreek seeds. After grinding fenugreek seed and paper, you will get the paste like this. And here I have cut a cardboard into a leaf shape. Now I am going to apply this paste on this cardboard. As you can see, I have applied this paste fully on this cardboard. Now to make it shine, I am just rubbing this gently with my finger. Now I am making lines on this leaf. Now we are going to make little Ganesha on it. See, our Ganesha has been done. Now let us keep it aside to let it dry. As you can see, there is some paste left with me. Now I am going to make a bowl using this paste. And here you can see a plastic bowl I have with me. And I have covered it with tissue paper. You can use any paper available with you. Now I am going to apply this paste on this bowl. For making the design, I am taking the help of a work. As you can see, my Ganesha and my pot has dried after 2 days. Now I want to remove it slowly. You can see how beautiful it looks inside. I am not going to remove the paper and I am not going to paint it, but I am going to paint my Ganesha. You can choose any color. Here I am coloring black. Now I am going to paint white color to Ganeshji. this is done. Now I'm going to make lines with using yellow color. I have used a smaller brush to make the veins of the leaves, and now it is completed. Now you can see here I had made a hole when it hasn't dried up. So now I want to give this to my mummy. Now you can see Ganesha is looking beautiful. My mother has hanged it on the wall. Friends, now I'm feeling very hungry. Now I'm going to cook ladyfinger. Come with me. First of all, wash the ladyfinger well. And then let it dry. Next, cut the ladyfinger into pieces. As you can see, I have cut the ladyfinger into pieces. Now I'm going to slice the onion. Keep the gas on medium flame and let the pan heat. Once the pan is heat, put 2-3 spoons of oil on it. Here I am adding mustard oil, but you can use any oil available with you. Once the oil is heat, add mustard seeds to it. Then add few chili flakes. Then add crushed garlic and stir it for 60 seconds. Then add onions. Give it a quick stir and add ladyfinger to it. Then add salt according to your taste. Then add turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it a stir and keep it in low flame. And then cover it for a few minutes. The bhendi is soft. Now I am adding garam masala to it and cooking for 1 minute. It tastes delicious. Why don't you try it at home?